An example of a 6-degree polynomial with a leading coefficient of 7 and a constant term of 4 is. So I would highly recommend taking all of these options and putting them in standard form. That way we can see what they look like. So I'm going to take option 1 and put it in standard form. So standard form means just that the highest exponent is first. So x to the 7th, that's our highest exponent, the term with the highest exponent. So that's good. Our next highest exponent is x to the 5th. Our next highest exponent is x to the 1 plus our constant of 4. So option 1 was already in standard form. Okay, let's take option 2 and put it in standard form. So our highest coefficient would be 6. So we're going to put 7x to the 6th power. So we can kind of cancel that out. Minus 3x squared, that's our next biggest leading term. Our next term would be just plus x, and then our constant would be 4. All right, let's look at option 3. Okay, so with option 3, our highest exponent, our highest term is x to the 4th. Next would be followed by x squared plus 6. All right, and last but not least, let's do option 4, and you put it in standard form. So our highest term would be 4x to the 6th power plus 5x plus 7. All right, so now we're looking for a 6th-degree polynomial. So this means that our highest term is x to the 6th power. And we see that that's happening in options 2 and 4. Here, our leading, this would be a 7th-degree polynomial because our highest term is 7, x to the 7th. And here, this would be a 4th-degree polynomial because it's 7x to the 4th. So now we're deciding between options 2 and 4. So we now want a leading coefficient of 7. So the leading coefficient just means the number in front of the highest term. So our leading coefficient of 7 would be option 2. And option 4, our leading coefficient would be 4. And then we want a constant term of 4. So our constant term is the number not attached to any variables. So if you see here in option 2, our leading coefficient is 7 and our constant is 4. But in option 4, our leading coefficient is 4 and our constant is 7. So we're not going to pick 4. So option 2 is our answer.